Welcome back to Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. This is the moment I've been waiting for. I'm going to give this Ripper 37 7-degree beveled tooth blade a try. Okay, finished up this log. Got 5 2x10s by 16 and a couple 8-inch wide by 1 inch. There's one there and there's one over here. It's a little wider or a little thicker. What's my first impression of the Ripper 37s? The first 3 or 4 cuts we're going through just like butter. As you can see in that opening part of the video, super sharp, typical of a new blade. As I cut on, the blade obviously got duller. That was one 16-foot log, roughly probably 16 inches around at the top, 20 at the butt. I am guessing I might be able to get another log or two 8-foot logs out of that blade before it has to be resharpened. Still cuts nicely as far as, you know, smooth. It's not waving or anything like that. But I reserve judgment at this point. I'll come back later today. I'm going to do a couple more logs after lunch. We'll see what it does. But right now the keen edge is off that blade. And it seemed like it didn't take very long for it to happen. Still sharper than what a 10-degree blade is, but yeah, I'll let you know what I think after I do a couple more logs. So you stick with me. Okay, it's towards the end of the day. I have put through one, this is my friend's logs. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. There was 16. I've cut one big log already, one of the biggest ones. My assessment of the blade. I got between 250, roughly 250, 275 board feet before this blade started, you know, putting waves, slight waves in it and pushing hard. Now I could probably push it a bit more, maybe tighten the blade a bit, but I don't think I'll do that. I know oak is hard, white oak especially. I was expecting to get, you know, maybe 3 or 4 logs before I had to change it, but it is what it is. And so I'm not sure what to say. I've got to talk to the guys at, you know, at the Jerry's Resharp. I want to be fair. You know, what's a normal amount of board feet in oak that you can get out of one of these blades before you have to sharpen it? If 300, you know, 2 to 300 is about right, then so be it. But when I first started cutting, I mean, it's a really nice blade. I am going to, I've got 5 of them. At that rate, I would go through all 5 to do that pile of lumber, and I've still got quite a bit of oak to cut, to mill, between myself and one of my other friends. So, yeah, I may just go ahead and resharpen. So, anyway, that's my assessments. Good blade, didn't break, but it does need to be resharpened after about 250, 200, you know, to 300 board feet. Anybody else out there who are using it, maybe you could give me some insights. I mean, this is a 7-degree tooth angle. What do you get out of yours when you're cutting, you know, hard lumber? Let me know down in the comments, and we'll all be a little more educated when this is done. Anyway, until next time, thank you for joining me, and if you would, please like and subscribe. And as always, you have a great day.